Hi friends, in this video I'll be showing you a step-by-step method how you can connect your Hamster Kombat account to your Bybit account for Hamster Kombat token withdrawal. So what you do is open your Hamster Kombat account like I have done here on my screen, then click on the airdrop at the right thumb of the Hamster Kombat account. So click on that. Once you click on that, it's going to bring you into this dashboard that shows when Hamster Kombat is going to be listing, which is like 12 days left, as you can see here. So scroll down so that you see all the options that you have here, and be very careful, because what you're going to do here is whenever you choose any of these methods of withdrawing your Hamster Kombat token, you cannot edit it, you cannot change it again. So make sure you are very clear about the one you want to choose, because here they have Binance Exchange, OKX Exchange, Bybit Wallet in Telegram, and EBI Exchange. So what we are going to be doing in this video, I'll be showing you how to connect your Bybit account into this Hamster Kombat token withdrawal, so that whenever Hamster Kombat is going to be paying on the 26th of this month, you're going to be withdrawing your money or seeing your Hamster Kombat token inside of your Bybit account. So what you need to do again is make sure that your Bybit account has been verified. Look at what it says, KYC needed, because if you have your Bybit account not verified, that means Hamster Kombat is going to have problem with you paying you your money. So make sure you have your account verified before you connect it. So let's start. Click on where it says Bybit Exchange. I'm going to click on that. Once you click on that, it's going to show you this notification that says, do you have a Bybit account? You need to add your deposit address and memo to receive Hamster Kombat token. So this is the exact information you need, your deposit address and memo, so that you can receive your Hamster Kombat token inside of your Bybit. So what I'm going to click on is yes, I have it, because I have a Bybit account. If you don't have one already, search for how to create an account, because I make a video about it and it's here on my channel. Search for that video and watch it. By the way, I'm going to be linking a link to Bybit inside the description, so that you can click on it and register a free account, and how also to verify it. So click on yes, I have an account if you already have, like I do. So I'm going to click on that, and it's going to bring up this page that says, that's going to tell us the things that Bybit or Hamster Kombat needs us to get from our Bybit account for easy deposit into our Bybit account. It says Bybit UID, that's your username, your UID, then Hamster Kombat deposit address and memo. These are the three things we need. So what you're going to do now is head over to your verified Bybit account and bring out this information, so that Hamster Kombat can pay you your money or deposit your money inside of your Bybit account, your Hamster Kombat token. So I'm going to head over to my Bybit account, open your Bybit account, and make sure it is verified one, so that they won't have problem paying you. So once you get here, what you do is your profile picture at the top left corner of your page, click on it. Once you click on that, you're going to see your username. After your username, just under it, you're going to see where it says UID, and that's the UID that Hamster Kombat needs you to copy. So as you can see, there's a copy icon close to it, so just click on copy. Do not claim it, do not look at it on the face and say you can type in. No, just click on copy, so you copy exactly what's there without mistakes. Click on copy, it says copied successfully. Head back into your Hamster Kombat account, and where it says Bybit UID, click on there and hold, then paste. As you can see, I've successfully pasted that, and we are going to bring out our Hamster Kombat deposit account inside of our Bybit also. So head over to Bybit, make sure you're on home, go back just once, click on the arrow that says back, click on it just once, and now we are in our home page. So here, what you do here is at the bottom right corner of your page where it says asset, click on asset. After you click on assets, it's going to bring you into this page. So here, what you're going to do, you want Hamster Kombat to deposit money inside of this account for you. So click on where it says deposit. Once you click on deposit, it's going to bring out this page that asks you to select the payment method, how you want the money to be deposited here, either through P2P trading or buy with your fiat currency. Mine is NGN because I'm in Nigeria, or any other currency you have is going to show there. But what we want to do is deposit crypto. So click on the third option that says deposit with crypto. Once you click on that, it's going to bring you into this page, and you're going to see several crypto coins where you can deposit your money into. But we're looking for Hamster Kombat. So what you do is at the top of the page where the search icon is, click on that, and we're going to be searching for Hamster Kombat Token. So what you do is type in HMTR. No, that was a mistake. It has to be HMS, not HSM. HMSTR. That's Hamster Kombat. So click on it because it's right here at the bottom where you see the Hamster Kombat logo also here. Click on that. Once you click on that, it's going to tell you to make sure that the chain type you make deposit to is the one you make withdrawals from. So, and the chain type here, all we've been doing in Hamster Kombat depends on Ton, because they told us earlier that Hamster Kombat is going to be listing on the Ton network. So click on Ton. Luckily, that's the only option here, so just click on Ton, and once you click on Ton, it's going to bring out the information that Hamster Kombat required from us. As you can see, it says to ensure a seamless deposit experience, please ensure that you use both the Hamster Kombat deposit address, which is A, and B, Hamster Kombat deposit memo/tag when making a deposit. So you do not make any mistakes with this. So this is exactly the two things that Hamster Kombat required of us. So click on OK, and you're going to see here at the first you're going to see wallet address, which is this, and the second below it you're going to see tag/memo. Okay, so you're going to see the copy icon close to or beside the both of these parameters. So click on the copy icon to copy your wallet address. So I'm going to click on mine. It says copied successfully. Head back into your Hamster Kombat account, and where it says Hamster deposit address, click and hold and paste. As you can see, mine has been pasted. So we're going to head back again to bring out our memo/tag. So I'm going to head back into my my Bybit account and click on copy tag/memo. Click on the copy icon beside it, and it's going to say copied successfully. Go back into your Hamster Kombat account once again, and where it says memo, click and hold and paste. As you can see, we've successfully gotten the three parameters that Hamster Kombat required from us: the Bybit UID, the Hamster Kombat deposit account, and the address and the memo. So we're going to click on save and choose. And one thing you're going to bear in mind is it says under it, after choosing, you cannot change withdrawal option. So make sure you're very clear that this is the method you want to use to withdraw your Hamster Kombat token once Hamster Kombat pays us. So you're going to receive your money inside of your Bybit account, where you can easily exchange it or sell it and make your money. So make sure you're clear about it and click on save and choose, so that your money will be saved inside your Bybit account whenever Hamster Kombat is paying us. So if you like this video, subscribe, turn on the bell notification, because I'll be sharing other things. So subscribe and turn on the bell. So what you do is click on save and choose. I click on save and choose, and it says success. Well done. Stay tuned with updates, because there are many things coming. So click on thanks, and once you click on that, it's going to say that this has been changed. It says request to Bybit was sent. So this request to Bybiy has been sent, and Hamster Kombat is going to verify all of this and make sure that they send you your money whenever the listing date is being made. So thank you for watching. Subscribe to this channel. Click on the link in the description below to create a Bybit account if you don't have it already. And if you're yet to join Hamster Kombat, there are a few days to it, to the launching, like few weeks. So I'll also put a link in the description where you can click on it and start your journey today. Thank you for watching.